guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today it's all about breakfast. And I have a very, very special surprise for you guys today.
Hey guys! I'm happy to see you guys again. It's been a while now.
Look who I have here with me. My sidekick.
Carlito's back.
I love my sidekick. Anyway, so today guys, we are making easy, delicious breakfast street tacos. Yum, yum.
Sounds yummy.
The ingredients are so simple. I'm going to put them up on the screen as I'm using it. What you need to do is use half a pound of your favorite sausage. Right here, Carlito, if you'll notice, I have Jimmy Dean mild sausage, which I'm crunching up. I'm going to crack 3 eggs into my bowl. Whisk it. Simple. Teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. Very simple. And here we have our garnishes. Here we have our garnishes. I've got some pickled jalapeno. That's optional. We like spicy, right, Carlito?
Yeah.
I've got cilantro, radishes, Vidalia onions, and some lemon. I could not find limes today. And I also have my tortillas here. We're going to use white corn tortillas that Carlito is going to help me. And we're going to put them on our griddle to heat them up. So delicious, you guys. And we're going to add some cheese. A little bit of cheese. So you guys, I'm here at the stove. We're getting ready and let's get cooking. Hey guys, I'm back. And I have Carlito here. He is working on the sausage. I'm going to go ahead, heat my griddle up. A little crowded in here, but that's okay. I'm going to crack my eggs. This is so yummy and so delicious, Carlito. Well, you know, you've had it already.
It smells delicious.
Yes. So tell me, Carlito, tell me what's new in school. Tell our friends.
Yeah, everything's going great in school. Especially my grades, they're doing much better, which is good. And I'm keeping up with my classes and my schoolwork.
Awesome. So what are you, straight A's now?
Almost straight A's.
Nice. Okay, guys, so we have our eggs here. I'm going to go ahead and, can you see that? Yeah. I'm going to drop the onion and the garlic powder. It's pretty crowded in here. That's okay, though. This is what I love about these recipes, you guys. You can interact and make it with your family, with your kids, with your spouse. Just so much fun. So now I'm heating up my griddle. I'm going to keep this. Carlito, we are going to grab, let me have this, please.
Yeah.
We're going to grab this, and we are going to put this aside. Look at this, guys. Our sausage is almost deliciously ready. Look at that. So I'm going to put it aside because we are going to add our eggs in there. Okay, so we're going to add our eggs in there in a second. Now, for our griddle, I'm going to go ahead, and this griddle is going to get hot, very hot. We are going to use today, we're going to make 2 tortillas. Something else that I have, I just dropped my spatula. Can you rinse it off for me, honey?
Yes.
That's what I love about having a helper, too. He helps me a lot. I also forgot to mention I grabbed a package of thick cut bacon, Carlito. And I rolled them up really tight. I cut the package in half and rolled them up pretty tight and put them in the oven at 435 degrees for about 30 minutes. Look at this, you guys. Look at this bacon. Look at these little bacon rolls. Is that the coolest thing ever? This is like...
Be careful, Mom. Smoking is bad for you.
This is the best cigar I've ever had. So we got that bacon. That's going to be part of our garnish too, Carlito. Okay? So now, Carlito, we are going to go ahead and instead of you doing the tortillas, why don't we do this? We're going to lower our heat to medium, Carlito, and we're going to drop our eggs in there. Okay?
Looks tasty.
So start stirring that.
Yes.
And we are going to use, Carlito, a little bit of salt to taste. Salt. And salt is like for good luck, I guess, right?
Yeah.
That's what they say. Salt for good luck. It happens. I call it human error. I'm using this little damp towel because this is probably hot. Getting very hot. Okay, so we are going to stir that up, Carlito. We'll grab some pepper. Let's show our people here what it's starting to look like, Carlito. Let me lower this. Excuse me, honey.
Take your
Give me
time.
1 second. Okay, guys, that's what it's starting to look like. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, extra light. Remember, the lighter the oil, the more heat resistant it is. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw in here 3 tortillas. Let's do 3. We can do 3. 3 tortillas that we are going to toast up. Once we flip the tortillas, guys, then we're going to put a little cheese on it. It'll melt a little bit. It's so delicious. How's that coming along? Can I take a look?
Yes.
Can I try? Okay. So we need to try to mix it really well, honey, like this.
It smells delicious.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
It smells so good, I know. So try a little bit like mixing the eggs well with the sausage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Perfect. I think you're doing a great job. Don't you guys think he's doing a great job? He's the best helper. He's a good helper. He's a very good son and good young man, and I'm happy that he's back. You can keep stirring that. Our tortillas are smoking. So I'm going to flip our tortillas, guys. I want to show our people, Carlito, how I flip these tortillas, and I'm going to lower my camera so that they can see me, how I put some cheese on it. Hold that spatula properly, honey.
Oh, sorry.
That's not the proper way to hold a spatula.
Is this?
Yeah, so you don't burn yourself. So I got a little bit of cheese. Not a lot. A little bit of cheese, as much as you'd like. I just put normal. Keep in mind, this is a healthy breakfast as well. You got your veggies with the radishes, with the garnish of the cilantro. We've got our bacon, our protein with our eggs and our sausage. I mean, this is really yum, yum, guys. All right, so our eggs are done, guys. Look at that. Check that out. Can you see that? Yum, yum. Our eggs are done. And believe it or not, this is such a quick and easy recipe, Carlito. And fun, right? Remember the last time we made it with the, street tacos for dinner? With the shredded beef? Oh,
yeah, it was delicious.
So delicious. So hand me my big bamboo plate right there, please. Okay, guys, so I've got the bamboo plate. I'm going to turn the heat off. That's it, you guys.
We're done?
Yeah, that's it.
That was simple.
Carlito, so I'm going to grab these, sweetheart. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to put these on our bamboo plate. Look at this, how cool. Oops. Ooh, that one took off. Come back here. Come back here, buddy. That baby took off. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys what this is starting to look like. I'll have Carlito hold the plate for me right here.
Yes.
Look at that. Look how cheesy that's starting to look. Be careful, honey. It's hot.
I know.
All right, guys. So I'm going to start loading our little tacos, our breakfast tacos up with our breakfast, with our eggs and our sausage. Yum, yum.
Mm.
How beautiful is that? Did you see how beautiful it looks when you garnish it? Oh, my goodness. So delicious. All right, so we're going to put some more there. Put a little more egg and sausage there. Tacos are messy anyway, right, Carlito?
Yeah.
So it doesn't really matter. Okay, guys, so this is where we are so far with our tacos. We're prepping them right now. So Carlito's going to hold the plate, and I'm going to garnish. He's my helper. This is hot, sweetheart. Don't drop the plate, whatever. Here.
I won't drop the plate.
That's okay. I'll hold the plate. I think I'll hold the plate. I feel better holding the plate.
Is it
and we'll
hot?
garnish, yeah. We're going to put, we are going to add some of our jalapenos. You can add as much or as little jalapenos as you like. We like a little spicy. If you like it more, you can use some more. It depends on how you like it. Jalapenos. So yummy, you guys. When you add, now we're going to add the fresh herbs. We're going to add a little bit of Vidalia onions. Always remember, Vidalia onions are a lot sweeter, Carlito, than white onions. So they have a little kick to them, like onions do, but not as bad as the white onion, not as strong. It's a little bit on the sweet side.
These look like white onions.
No, these are Vidalia onions.
Oh.
Yes. A little bit of onion, guys. I'm going to put, oh my God, I'm going to put a little bit of radish. Little pieces of radish in here. Snatch one from here. Here. Not a lot. We want to add that extra crunch. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. That extra crunch and that fresh flavor with the radish, you guys. So delicious. And, of course, we're going to add some cilantro, Carlito. Let's add some cilantro. And we have our tomatillo sauce as well, which I forgot to mention. For those of you that have time to make tomatillo sauce, More power to you. I love homemade tomatillo sauce, but I just don't have the time, Carlito. We have a lot going on. You want to tell our friends what we have going on? What Stovetop Yum Yum has going on?
Ooh, it's like it's crazy, right? But it's like it's a good feeling. Like she's making out merch like this.
I made that myself.
She made the design, and I really love it. And she has this. My favorite one out of all of them, the red one.
The apron,
I love you, Los quiero, the apron.
which is my motto.
And it's such good quality, and it's breathable. It's nice, guys.
Yeah.
It's really just it's a great thing.
And Daddy's been helping a lot too. So we've been doing a great job with our merch. My website is going live soon, so the merch will be on the website, available for sale. Okay, Carlito, so now we're going to grab one of our cigars. Call it our bacon cigars. Look how cool this is, you guys. Our little bacon cigars. Okay, our little bacon cigars right here.
I'll take the one with the biggest bacon.
Okay, I'm going to grab some. Hang on a second. Some tomatillo, some green tomatillo. And you cannot have this, you guys, without lemon. Cannot, I repeat. So we're going to put some lemon on it.
Cover my eyes so I don't get sprayed.
Okay. Remember, lemon has more seeds, so you kind of like want to squeeze it in your hand so that you don't get the seeds in your food. And now, guess what? It's time to taste. You ready?
Yep.
First, let me show our friends this beautiful plate. Look at this, you guys. Look how beautiful that is for breakfast. Is that beautiful or what? Have their lemon wedges. It's just absolutely beautiful. You like it, Carlito?
I love it.
All right. So now we are going to taste. Now comes the fun part.
Okay.
All right. So you're going to grab that one.
Okay.
Be careful. Right on the plate. We're going to go ahead and hold it up.
Oh, you took my thing.
Yeah, fold it up good.
Fold it up.
Don't be afraid. Fold it up. Okay. You fold it up a little tighter.
Oh, tighter.
Yeah. You don't want it to go. It's going to go everywhere anyway. Wait. Let me move you a little. Put it down. I'm gonna help you. Okay, there.
Thank you.
There, wait, let me get it a little tighter. That tight. Don't be afraid. Get it tight.
I got it tight.
Okay, guys, so you ready? Cheers. All right, here goes nothing. Wow. So good. Oh my God. I made this earlier this morning live, guys. I'm sorry, my mouth is full. And the same thing that happened this morning happened now. The jalapeno smoke came out of my nose.
I know. It's hot.
So good.
Oh my gosh, it's hot. Can I take another bite?
Mm-hmm.
Take another bite.
Yeah. And taste the freshness of the cilantro and the radish, the crunch of the radish, which also has a kick. You have your vegetables, your protein. I mean, come on, you guys. This is so delicious.
Speechless. It's so delicious. It's speechless. It makes me like
so
shake my hips.
How about on a scale from
It makes me shake my hips.
You want to shake your hips? On a scale from 1 to twerk. Huh? On a scale from 1 to twerk? How would you rate it?
That's about Let me think. I think that's twerk.
Okay.
That's twerk.
Okay, let me see you do the twerk. Carlito likes it. This is so delicious, guys.
Take another bite.
Yes. We're double dippers. We just have to make sure, right?
I'm triple dipping.
Oh. Here.
We're gonna make some stuff or we're eating more.
Don't leave.
I'm not leaving. I know she touched the microwave, guys. You know I'm about to go down when she touches the microwave.
Oh my God. The crunch of that radish. Carlito, I agree with you, Carlito. It's a twerk, dude.
That's a twerk.
Let's get it.
That's a twerk.
God, that was good. Woo! So
Oh my
good.
gosh, that was delicious.
So good. So you see, you guys, have fun in the kitchen with your family, whether it's your kids, your spouse, whoever it may be. And it's good quality time. And always remember to incorporate your 2 main ingredients in any recipe you make, which is...
Of what? Oh, wait, no. Passion and love.
That's right, passion and love. I don't care what you look like. I don't care where you're from. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. If you incorporate those two main ingredients, passion and love, your recipe will not fail. I repeat, your recipe will not fail. You guys, remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, we thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. Right, Carmelo?
Yeah.
This stuff is awesome, right, Carmelo?
I know.
Woo! So don't forget, guys. And as I always say in all my mottos, which is on my apron, for those of you that follow me, a lot of you do and know, my famous...
Let's say it together.
Ready? Au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, we will be back and we will see you guys then. Take great care. Bye. Let's do it again.